no, I'm
enjoy, right? Enjoy.
One more?
I never said it to get them up and more than that.
Are they dressed up for the trip? So it is all part of it. Very cool.
It's not.
This is the light. This picture. It's the first one off the factory floor.
That's pretty cool. You said there's more down there.
We're getting off the last stop, next stop. He's got, I want to take pictures first, this young man right here. And then once he's squared away, just pull me to the side, okay? Just pull me towards the end of the line, okay? Just give us a few minutes, okay? We're getting off the next stop, 2nd Avenue. Okay, these were introduced in the late 1920s. They entered service in 1931. These cars lasted over half a century. They're valued at $39,000 a part in $1,929. So today we're going to go over 100K. Today's newest cars are $1 million and up. We went from an evolution. This is called the car family. So this is the R1. The R211. See the big difference? Nearly 1 century. Almost over 90 years. From now to this. A big difference. Back then, for the Great Depression, we made a menu here. We didn't work on it. Started going find a job. We let some more better orders. These cars, like this young lady coming from Brooklyn, from Pennsylvania. So I don't know what it is to head to upper Manhattan to an office job, for example. I don't know how you don't mind. But these cars were new technology back then. Where else do you have the hand bars like this? Vents for the ventilation, fans. Extra electric lighting, yeah, electric lighting. The new cars today, it's all USB, central air, central heat.
Where was this train sitting?
You mean the holiday train? Yeah. They left it at the 1270 yard. Like I said, what you see right here is the first of our kind. The car here right now is the first of our kind. So that means the head of the IND, the boss himself would have came, would have said, okay, I'm inspecting this, make sure it's going to go to service. Everything goes to service. Most of the time, it goes to service. It lasts over half a century. Late 1970s. Also, one of the most famous Jag songs over time is linked to this train. You know what song that is? Take Me on the A Train. Now, if you ever hear the music of that song, that Jag song, it's linked to this car. You would imagine seeing one of these flying on A line. This is actually the 12th Street Yard right here, where the train just went today. That's this one right here. Sure, like I said, the decades of wear and tear, breakdowns, all the whole maintenance. These women, where they're done, remember, so we're talking about over half a century of wear and tear, and it's start fully restored. No, this is the 100. Like I said, 400 of these were built. Like I said, $39,000, that's a pretty good investment. And New York City must have invested millions. Maybe like $10, $20 million for a project like this. Back then, we're talking back then. Back then, it would have been $1 billion. New cars are now a $1 billion project. $1 billion is a lot of money. So you have to get what your money's worth. And that's what we did after nearly 50 plus years of service. That started the R family from the R1 to the 211. And like I said, who knows? When these I manage, they might be cars that I don't know what exist in coming soon. You don't know that. The future is possible. It's endless. So there's going to be cars that I might not be able to see when I pass. He might see as an older person. And it will continue. And that's the legacy of heritage we have. No one has done this anywhere in the country or on earth has a big history of injuries. We have these 1927 cars in Hawaii today. Russia does. Moscow subway, for example. That was from the Stalin period, 1940, 1950s. To Japan, Tokyo, to today, to here.
Is this it?
This is the line. It's the end of the line.
End of the line.
That's the end of the line.
Go square me and take pictures. And then you put me to the side.
the line.